Hey guys, welcome to the BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we'll talk about the Reveal slider widget by the Prime slider plugin for Elementor. Reveal makes a great slider interface for WordPress with a sleek banner design. The slider displays the featured post in a mail with thumb post for the next and previous slider items. Packed with cool transition effects, the Reveal slider is a fascinating slider widget to capture your visitors with alluring interface. The display shows a global title and description as the header of the slider and stays same for all slider items, which you can keep or hide if you want. The featured post displays a title and subtitle with a darkened text area effect, a description, and a read more button. Also, you can insert captions for each slider item. Reveal slider works best for business websites, company profiles, architect websites, service pages, and more. It's a kind of slider that delivers content in a unique way that the visitors can't take their eyes off. Now let's see how to customize it. Open your target page and drag-drop the Reveal slider inside it. When the slider pops up, you can find the slider items listed on your left side under the Content tab. Here you can see 3 items currently listed. You can add more by clicking on the Add Item button. Once you click on an item, you need to provide a title, subtitle, read more text, link, and an image for the slider. Let's select our image. Then in the optional subsection, you can put the title link, caption, and description text for each individual slider item. In the same way, let's prepare the rest of the sliders. When you click on the thumbs, the next slide will load with a cool interest transition effect. Going into the additional settings section will give you a number of switches to show or hide specific slider elements. There's a scroll bar on top to adjust the height of the slider. For instance, you can switch off the text description text to hide it from displaying. There's the switches for you. Then you can customize and add a title and description text for the slider header as global content for all the slider items. Now time for the style part. In the first section, let's apply a background overlay color to the slider images. For the titles, let's pick a gradient background color and change the color tones. You can adjust the color angle to change the color gradings. Then let's customize the font with the typography option here. Scale up the font size and transform. Moving on to the subtitle section, let's change the background to gradient 2 and with the same color tone as well. The same goes for typography. Let's make the text white so we can see them better on the display. Let's go back to the slider section and add some padding to the content to adjust the header text area. Then let's quickly change the typography a bit to match the rest. Next, let's bring changes to the Read More button by selecting a similar gradient background for the button with a matching set of colors. Once done, let's customize the typography. You can see the image caption visible at the top right corner of the featured post image. You can customize the caption by color or typography. Then let's customize the header content. The first subsection is for the title and the second one is for text. Let's set the max width of the text area to make it fit in the whites of the background. Now ignite the eyes of your visitors with a spectacular slider interface on your website. That's all about the Reveal slider widget. Thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you have liked it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and stay updated. Until next time.